Good morning to all. Welcome to all in online science class. Today we will read My Living World book, which is our science book. In previous class we have started chapter 1, that is My Body, and we knew about different body parts. Along with, we have also known about sense organs of our body. As we know, there are 5 sense organs of our body. The 5 sense organs are eyes, which help us to see, nose, which helps us to smell, ear, which helps us to hear, tongue, which helps us to taste, and skin, which helps us to feel or touch. These are 5 sense organs. Now one by one we will know about this. Look here children, there is a diagram of tongue. By the help of tongue, we can feel bitter, sweet, sour and salty taste. The tongue helps us to speak and taste different type of things. There are taste buds in the tongue which help us to decide whether something is salty, sour, sweet or bitter. There are 3000 taste buds we have. And tongue is the strongest muscle of our body. Next, skin. The skin is the outer covering of our body. It protects the internal organs, bones and muscles of our body. The skin helps us to feel by the sense of touch, and the skin is the largest organ in the human body, which help us to feel different type of things, either anything is rough or smooth, hot or cold. Next, ears. We hear with the help of our ears. Sounds reach our ears as vibrations. They receive different kinds of sounds and send messages to our brain. The brain tells us what we hear and where the sound comes from. A very warm good morning to one and all. In previous classes we have started chapter 1, that is My Body, and we have also known about the different sense organs. Let us start now. Today one by one we will know about different sense organs. As we have studied that our body organs which help us to sense various things present around us are known as sense organs. These are eyes, ear, nose, skin and tongue. Today we will know about tongue. Activity. Let us start now. Take some eatables like bananas, salted cucumber, lemons and bitter gourd juice. We have to taste these ones. Taste them one by one and experience the taste of each. Our tongue helps us to know the taste of different food items. It is very sensitive. It even helps us to find out the various flavors or various tastes present in different food items such as ice cream, chutneys and sauces. It means by the help of tongue we can taste different food items. Look here children, there are some children here, they are tasting ice cream, kulfis. Now come in next page. Our tongue has different parts which are sensitive to different tastes. Look here children carefully, there is a diagram of tongue. From here we can taste bitter and here sweet. And here sour and salty and here also. Do you know our tongue has 3000 taste buds? Our tongue is the strongest muscle in our body and the average length of human tongue is 10 cm. These points are very much important for our examination. Next year's activity, guess who am I? Put on a blindfold on one of your classmates and make him or her stand at the front of the class. Let one of the students speak or sing something. Ask the child who was blindfolded to recognize the speaker. You can do this activity in your home also with your brother and sisters. When we go out, we often hear birds chirping, children making all kinds of sounds, and vehicles or animals making different types of sounds. Our ears help us to listen to all these different sounds and to recognize them. They also tell us the direction from where a given sound is coming. It means our ears help us to hear different type of loud and pleasant sound. Now coming next page. Ears also help us to differentiate between loud sound and gentle sounds. Loud sounds, very loud sounds are unpleasant and harmful for our ears. How do we feel when a bus tires bursts in front of us? We immediately cover our ears. It means we don't like unpleasant sound. Next is skin activity. Ask the students to touch different things around them like the wall, bag, their clothes, desk, etc. Let them find out which things have rough surfaces and which ones have smooth surfaces. You can do this activity in your home also. Now come in next page. Skin enables us to feel smooth and rough surfaces, hot and cold things, and so on. We also get the feeling of pain when we are injured or bitten by an insect. The skin also helps to protect the parts of our body present below it. It means by the help of skin we can feel different type of things. Either the things are smooth and rough or either cold or hot. Do you know the largest organ of our body is the skin? This question is also very much important. In next class, we will know about the another sense organs, nose and eyes. That's all for today.